Request for Florida Highway Patrol, who is pursuing a box stolen truck in Tampa. All right, we in Tampa with it. Marion County. Okay. Oh, he's in an armed carjacker too. You're not getting away in the box truck, my guy. I'm sorry.
Okay, bring me to the call, please. Okay.
Like, what are you expecting? You're in a box truck.
Getting off at 384.
Against the police.
Speeds, traffic conditions, please. Normal Archer Road traffic.
And they got a K9 unit on you too.
Gonna turn westbound.
Yeah, there's no Justin. I'm coming up town Archer when you know I said it sticks out. I'm not sure the unit in front of me yet.
Justin, I'm at Oak Park. I'll put sticks here. Alright, going the wrong way on the interstate.
Oh, okay, they
On a
terminating.
southbound off ramp.
Yeah, they terminating. Or about to go around and meet them the opposite way.
From northbound on southbound side?
That's correct. Turn around.
Hey, I know police can bend the law a little bit. Well, not a little bit, but you know they could do certain things. But are they really allowed to drive on the opposite flow of traffic? I feel like, and I don't know, I could be wrong. I feel like if the suspect or the person that they're chasing does it, they shouldn't be able to do that, bro. It's too dangerous. I feel like at that point, you either try to cut him off see if you can figure out, get the chopper in the sky, figure out where he's going, try to cut him off, or just terminate the chase. I don't know.
On southbound side?
But then, yeah, I have to look into it. I don't know.
Correct.
Turn around.
Yeah. You're on the wrong side, bro. Oh, there he go right there.
Bravo Mike, red shirt, beard.
My fault. There he go right there. My bad, bro.
Westbound Archer Road. Did you fail? Negative.
You might as well give it up. You're not going nowhere in a box truck.
Wrong way, Archer Road traffic. 100 block. Reserve at Canal Block. Back in the right lane of travel.
If you're going to go the wrong way of traffic, you're going to have to turn. They were side by side with you. So phone.
Anybody have any ideas on business? Can we fit a two-wheel drive or a two-wheel rear vehicle?
And this is where it gets stupid, right? You're in a box truck. Box trucks don't do that great on gas. Box trucks aren't that great on speed. You're just delaying the inevitable. And maybe it's just the way my mind is wired, the way I am. I'm just giving myself up at this point because you have no destination. You keep driving on the wrong side of the road and you're not doing anything but racking up more charges. You have nowhere to go. If you did, you'd be on your way, not driving on the opposite side of the street.
Two-wheel drive or a two-wheel rear vehicle? Again? We're coming out and have I'm sorry. Celebration Point. Not hard to do. Pretty small. It's a short box truck.
You already got nothing on the side of it.
Yeah.
From the Navy, on stop the vehicle fitted.
definite danger.
I'm thinking getting this vehicle off the
Are you gonna try to pit maneuver?
Corey, where you at now?
Whoa.
R393, R393.
That was a near miss right there, man.
75, yeah, trying to get the 6 out in front of Madison Coast.
He better crash.
Why you go up there, please?
He gonna crash. He gonna crash.
We're eastbound. Or past Burger King eastbound.
When I'll call from ASO eastbound.
He whipping the box truck though. I give it to him, but yeah, I went.
Down the block eastbound, speeds are about 60 mile an hour.
Great shit.
ASO units 2300 Archer.
Northbound into the new Butler Plaza.
You gonna try to break? You gonna try to pit maneuver again? Ah! Ah, my car! My car! Could you imagine being in the Best Buy? Who pays for it? Who pays for it? I'm assuming he ain't got no money. So does the police department pay for my car? Like, I've never been in this situation, so I really want to know how do you even go about this? You contact the insurance company, and do they just cover it just cause, or do you got to hit the police department like, hey, y'all gotta give me a new vehicle, bro? My car.
Hey, pulling into the Best Buy.
Cause they just drove off, so like, you just come outside and your car just messed up.
You ran my vehicle off
They didn't get the license plate or nothing.
Alright, we're back on Archer Road. I am now the lead vehicle. Oh, Singapore into a ASO K9, still eastbound, place P. Hey, you good?
You can get in the island. I'm gonna check on this red car.
Alright, we are at 35th Boulevard, still eastbound, wrong side of the road, coming up to 34th Street.
Vehicle, pit that truck.
Trying to get to it. Speed 60 mile an hour.
Just waiting on him.
Do you have any lag at ASO units? I need a
What's
ride.
about to do? Get out?
Northbound 34th Street, northbound 34th Street.
Fine. I'm Canadian. I'm calling it. Northbound through Lake Meadows Boulevard on 34th Street.
I ain't never seen nobody try to pit maneuver a box truck though.
Trying to
So
get
this
up
is
to it.
interesting. They ain't gonna pit me. Hey,
Second floor,
hey!
and wrong lane of traffic. Piccadilly, wrong lane of travel, past Piccadilly. Continuing on. Alright, we're still continuing northbound, passing the Metro Diner.
It's over with, bro. It's over with, bro.
And here's the city to help us, guys. We need to stop this now.
Stand by.
Okay, so third car.
No, y'all can't pit maneuver him right there. Hey! Okay. I understand that we need to get him off the street, right? But they shouldn't be trying to pit maneuver on a busy road, right?
Okay, so third car.
Well, other people have potential to get hurt.
Attention pit, we are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. We're on 34th, keep wrong.
This fool done drove into a parking lot.
Everybody hold the traffic for a second, keep calling.
Yeah, they
We're through the
surrounded
parking
you, my
lot, we're about to
guy.
come out at 34th Street.
GTA, 4 stars. Ha! You hit that? Yep.
Attention pit, again, coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound on 34th.
Oh, he got out while it was moving. Oh, he got out while it was moving. The police don't know The police ran bro over. They slap hit bro. He tried to get out while I was moving. You was still going a little bit too fast. You couldn't catch your footing. But the police. Got him. Oh, y'all got him.
Sorry, buddy. I thought I had his hand.
Southwest 20th, and I need to block up Wind Meadows Boulevard.
They ain't wrong. I ain't blaming the police. They just protecting the people.
Uniform.
So what you
I ain't
do?
even mad at y'all, cause y'all did y'all job.
20 minutes.
What? Maybe it's just me on a personal thing, but like, I'm not giving y'all props. What you mean? I'm not mad at y'all did y'all job. I wouldn't even be saying nothing. I mean, Fifth Amendment right, shut up. I'll be in the backseat just quiet the whole time. But, not smart. Not smart. You just racked up charges. You didn't even do anything. You racked up charges and if you hit my vehicle, listen, the current vehicle I have now, I was working 3 jobs in college, saving up money, you know what I'm saying, to help pay for that vehicle. Didn't get a dime from my parents, nothing like that, yeah. Was working real hard to save up money for that car. So, you hit my car, I'm mad. I'm pissed. I would want so much smoke. I would want to throw hands so bad, bro. But yeah, not smart. You had no destination. You had nowhere to go. I get you on a delay in level. You want to enjoy your freedom a little bit, but you didn't do anything but just add extra charges in, right? But you already robbed. What you robbed the box truck for? Out of all vehicles to take, you took a box truck and tried to go on the run with nowhere to go. Not smart.